you doing? Thought I'd just share with you guys what's going on today. It's January 2nd, so Happy New Year's to everyone. 2018, starting off the year right. We got some installs lined up and a whole bunch of things we're looking forward to for 2018. So, but today I'm heading over to Trane. I have to drop off a Ameristar condensing unit. I'm going to pick up a Trane instead. The reason why I'm doing that today is because the customer that we're doing this install for, it's just a rental unit, but one of the things that he said really played a big role in his decision was the price for his rental, and then also that the units were made in America. So I was told and had the understanding that Ameristar was made in America, and I think I even asked somebody at the Trane convention I was at not too long ago if it was made there. So, and they said, yeah, it's made in America, and I'm like, okay. So I told this guy, yeah, you know, well, our competitor on that job was trying to sell him a Goodman, and the owner told him that we were going to be putting in a Ameristar. So the Goodman dealer said, well, are you sure you want something made in China put in there? and so I was sitting there trying to reassure him that these units are made in New Jersey. The furnaces are made in New Jersey, and I wasn't sure where the condensers were made. So I just said, you know, everything's made in New Jersey. Well, then I go into the website and I find out on Ameristar's website that the condensers are made in China, and it says right on the box, made in China. And I don't want this unit to go out there tomorrow with made in China right on the box. So I don't want, you know, if he shows up and he says, we talked about this, you know, this thing needs to be made in America. So I really, I'm going to go back to Trane. I'm going to go get a Trane condenser. It's about $250 more for the Trane condenser, but at least in my heart, I know we're getting a unit that's, you know, made in Tyler, Texas, and the furnace is the old XB80 furnace made in still being made in New Jersey. So everything's made in America, anyways. So just something about my conscience, man. I just can't like go put that thing out there and just shove it in and say, you know, take it. I want to be. I gotta be honest and have a little bit of integrity. The words I say come out of my mouth, and if I'm wrong, I need to eat it and make it right. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Is I'm gonna go take this condenser back and pick up a Trane, and in my heart, I'll feel better about it. So I'm not gonna change the price of the job or anything either. We'll just make it right. So we also have a few other warranty items that we're taking back over to Trane today. So we had put in a Trane compressor on an 11-year-old unit. The 11-year-old unit, the compressor had seized up, so we were going to change it out. And when we hooked it up, it was shorted to ground right out of the box. So we ordered another one, got it delivered, installed it, and everything started up fine on it, so that's good. The other warranty item we have recently is a Trane. We put a S9X2 95% furnace in, and the day after it started up, the day after it was running, it stopped. We had a bad control board on it. So we replaced that board, and I'm going to take that board back to Trane today as well. So Trane warranty, yay! So I thought I'd just share that with you guys, and I hope everything's going good with you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.